Today on Pains and Gains, we'll be exploring the ancient physical practice of yoga and the immense benefits that can occur if kept up routinely. Yoga, originating from ancient India, is a holistic practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, meditation, and mindfulness. It's not just about bending and stretching. It's a powerful tool for cultivating harmony between the mind, body, and soul. When you step onto your yoga mat, get ready for a transformative journey. One of the fantastic benefits of yoga is improved flexibility. As you flow through various poses, your muscles gradually lengthen and become more supple. This increased flexibility can have a positive impact on your overall posture and range of motion, allowing you to move with grace and ease. But that's not all. Yoga also works wonders for your strength. As you hold and transition between different poses, you engage various muscle groups, building both strength and endurance. The core, arms, legs, and back all receive a challenging workout. Strengthening these muscles can improve your stability, balance, and even contribute to better posture. Now, let's talk about the breath, the life force that flows through us. In yoga, breath control, or pranayama, plays a fundamental role. By practicing specific breathing techniques, you can learn to regulate and deepen your breath. This can have a profound effect on your voice and vocal control. Deep, conscious breathing helps to relax your vocal cords, release tension, and support proper breath support, allowing your voice to resonate more effectively and effortlessly. Beyond the physical benefits, yoga is a powerful stress reliever. In our fast-paced world, stress can take a toll on our overall well-being, including our vocal performance. Yoga helps you tune inwards, quieting the mind and creating a sense of inner calm. Through meditation and mindfulness, you learn to let go of stress and anxiety, enabling you to approach your day-to-day tasks with clarity, focus, and a greater sense of presence. Yoga does not discriminate, regardless of gender or background. It enhances flexibility, builds strength, improves breath control, and promotes overall well-being. It's not just about the physical aspects, but also cultivating a harmonious connection between your mind, body, and voice. So remember, yoga is your personal journey to greater flexibility, strength, and peace of mind. So roll up your mat, take a deep breath, and carry that yoga glow with you throughout your day. Thanks again for tuning into Pains and Gains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, nutrition advice, and self-improvement insights. Peace.